Mr. President.
Senator from Utah.
Mr. President, it's bad enough that this Senate leadership, led by the Democrats, has not passed a budget in 3.5 years. What's even worse than that is the fact that they haven't offered a budget this Congress. They haven't voted for or supported a single budget in this Congress. We have had, of course, one budget voted on in the Senate during this Congress, written by a Democrat. That was the president's plan, which received 0 votes from his own party, 0 votes from the Republican Party last year and this year. If we are able to come to the table, if we are to come to a compromise, we have to have offers on both sides. We have to have a plan on both sides. And so all the calls for civility, all the calls for compromise, really fall on deaf ears, unless or until we have 2 willing parties at the table with proposals that they're willing to offer.
Mr. President.
Senator from Arizona.
Mr. President, the American people are asking 2 big questions. Why has the Senate not